Alright, everybody, this is from about Ben2014. Come on. Ben2014's got a little old 3-box break of 2012 Bowman Jumbo. Ben's not playing around. I don't know where I'm going to put these. I need another 5-wide. That's right. Good luck, Ben. Let's see how many color autos we can hit you. I say at least 2 color autos. Huh? Purchase these at Blowout Cards at www.blowoutcards.com. Look at that. It's a wall of jumbo packs. Come on. All right, let me switch these 5-wides out real quick. All right, bud. Doing a little drinking, open a little break. Oh, something, something. Come on. Here we go. J. Frey left too early. See that? That's what happens when you leave too early. Austin Maddox refractor. What? Don't like his style. Don't give him a bigger head than he already has. Uh-oh. Got a redemption, Ben. Got a redemption. We're not looking at it. Got a redemption for Ben. Could be the Richie Schaefer Superfractor, in which case I will never talk to you again. That's, I mean, seriously, that's it. We're done. We're through. You and I, we're through. We used to be pals. Uh-oh, Brian Johnson refractor. Nice card. Little old Boston, excuse me, Boston Red Sox for you. You don't have a mic, bud? Can somebody check over on Vaughn and see if the volume's still working? It's still working on my end. The Vaughn mic's still up. You might have to check your volume. Make sure your speakers are on. Tyler Gonzalez. Come on. All right, thank you, sir. All right. Let's see what we got going on here. We've hit two of your at least 9 autos. The redemption could be anything. So, I mean, anywhere from Schaefer to Pat Light to Devin Marrero to Yu Darvish to even something better like a dual auto or a Bowman Black auto. Another auto, Kevin Plawecki. He's a Met. Kevin Plawecki refractor auto. So you got 2 refractor autos, bud. And I believe they came from the same box because I spread that box out. So 2 refractor autos from the same box. Pretty sure, yeah. Mitch Geller, nice card. Out of 250, 75 out of 250. Mitch Geller. Courtney Hawkins, nice auto to hit for your base. Base auto of Courtney Hawkins. And I think there's something up about that redemption, bud. I think that might be a Yu Darvish or something even better. I'm just saying, that's what I think. Because I think we're still in the same box. I think you've already hit 3 autos this box. Will Hudgens, a blue paper. Huh? We'll find out at the end. If you end up with 9 autos and a redemption, we'll know something's up. Nick Root. I think you've either got a Darvish auto or you've got like a dual auto. That's what I think. Probably Darvish. But I don't know. Maybe I've been drinking so much I haven't been keeping track like I think I have. Yeah, it's $700 worth of jumbos. What? Peter O'Brien? Got a gold refractor auto. You've got a gold auto, buddy. I'm setting it to the side. Setting it to the side. Come on. Jake stole something. Alright, so you got 2 refractor autos, a gold auto, some mysterious redemption. I don't even know what that's about. Parker Morin, Silver Ice. You leave Brecker Brothers alone, pal. Talking about Purge. Gavin Cecchini for your 3rd refractor. Your 3rd refractor auto, and you also have the gold. So that's 4 refractor autos. We're not even halfway done. Plus a mystery card, huh? Wei-Yin Chen. Alright, when we get to this point, do you want to see the gold auto first? Or do you want to see the redemption first? Huh? Brandon Klein. Whole lot of nothing in that pack. Matt Smorrell refractor. Got a Joey Gallo base auto. Nice card. A little Joey Gallo for you. Come on. Doing pretty good, buddy. Doing pretty good. Jake Lamb. Devin Marrero. Devin Marrero base auto. So how many autos are we at? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 autos left. Not counting the redemption. Blue paper of Brian Johnson. Kyle Zimmer on the mountain. The Harpers and the Darvish are so freaking rare. Christopher Beck, a blue refractor. Barrett Barnes, nice card, refractor. Matt Moore, nice card. Matt Moore, blue refractor, at a 250. All right, the redemption first. Spencer Edwards. James Ramsey. Joshua 1-9. Yoenis Cespedes, RJ Alvarez. Red Ice. Victor Roach, nice card to get red ice of. 21 of 25. Victor Roach, first round draft pick of the Brewers. Nice card, bud. That's a good one. Yu Darvish Chrome. Dominic Leone.
All right, everyone, pay attention. We're going to play a little brain game. And they say that everything rolls downhill. And yet, how do I do that? Stick around. I'll show you in a minute.
Steve Bean auto. Steve Bean. All right, I think that's 9 autos. And a redemption. Huh? 9 autos. And a redemption. Mike Zunino, nice card. Mike Zunino refractor. Patrick Merkling, purple ice. 10 of 10, eBay 1 of 1. Patrick Merkling, 10 of 10. Come on. So you got a red ice and a purple ice. That's not bad. Last pack. Chris Cowell. All right, bud, here it is. Moment of truth. You want to see the redemption first? Redemption it is. Bowman Chrome rookie autograph of Yu Darvish. What? Told you it was going to be a Yu Darvish. All right, pal. Here it is. Your gold. Ready? Good luck. Not bad. Not bad. Ty Hensley. Looks good, bud. Looks real good. Look at that, huh? Nice. 16 of 50. Nice break, bud. Nice break. Very good.